Hey there, this is Steve at STO N SHO. Today we're out here at Chevrolet, and we just recently started doing videos in the last year, so we did some of our more popular models that we can't always find or don't have time to go back and film. We're trying to do a few of those, and today this is a C7 Gen. This is even though it's a Grand Sport, it's a 19 Grand Sport. It's got the base spoiler on it, so this bracket would fit, which is the S&S 50, will fit the base spoiler for the base model or the Grand Sport without the aero spoiler. So there's the front of it. It's going to mount center. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started here.
All right, thanks, Steve. So this is going to be a pretty quick and straightforward installation. It's going to use these two factory screws right here, right in the center, one left and right of center. They've got a 7mm head on them, so you're going to spin those out, and then they're going to be going right back on. So we're going to take them out, and then we're going to just leave them right there. And again, these are factory screws. I think they're like a 4.2 by, it looks like 25. So we're going to take those out, and we're going to take our base plate. You're going to take your factory screw you just took out, stick it through the base plate, start it up onto the car. And real important, start each side first before you just start tightening up. Because these are a J-clip, and if you get one side all the way tight, then it's going to pull it kind of off to the side and make it difficult for you. As you can see, this was pretty simple. And then you're just going to tighten her down. And again, these are going in a metal J-clip, so you can tighten them down pretty good. You can see that I can snug those up pretty good. And when it's all done, nice and solid. So then you're going to just take your front plate, start it into the tubes, pull it, get it past the pull pin, slide it till it locks into place. And there you go, you're all done.
Yep, and make sure that from time to time you want to lubricate the pull pin. And if you're going through a car wash, make sure you remove it, and or even you get too close, you want to try to get too close to parking berms or curbs, of course. And as always, these brackets are all vehicle specific. So this one, as you can see, is made for the Corvette, the C7. This is for the base model. And once you have that installed, you're going to want to take your license plate, attach it to the front plate there, and you are all done.
Show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.